Well, hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Nichols and Tops the Monkey. And we're so happy to be here. We have another story for you. The name of the story is Little Kittens, and it is a DRA level 2. It is written by Mary Solins. Okay, we're going to get started with doing a picture book walk and see what's in this book. Okay. When we open the book, we come to the cover page. And let's see what's in this book. Now, one thing I want to tell you children is the fact that some of these words there's going to be one word on each page that's going to be covered. And so just be expecting that, okay, as we discuss the pictures. Starting off, we see that there's two little kittens and they are in a wagon. On this page, there are two little kittens and they are running. On this page, you see two little kittens and they are hiding. On this page, you see a little kitten and it's jumping. And on this page, it's another picture of a kitten jumping. And again, the kitten is jumping. And on the last page, we see that the kitten is sleeping. So if you don't know anything about kittens, you've learned quite a bit from this book, because everything in here is showing you real photographs of kittens doing things. Okay? All right, let's go back and let's see if we have what we call repetitive text. That means, do we see the same words on different pages? Let's find out. Here, we see the words little kittens love to, and let's see if those words show up on the next page. Ah, they do. Little kittens love to. So right now we know we have repetitive text, words that repeat, repetition, okay? Little kittens love to. We still got the same words, don't we? These words are repeating. Little kittens love to. All right, do they repeat on the next page? No, they don't, because we just have one word here. We have the word jump, but it will repeat on this page. It's that one word, jump. And then we have little kittens love to. Now, boys and girls, one thing, yeah, I'm getting to that. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm telling them. Thank you, Tops. Tops is saying, because Tops is telling me, which is what I was going to tell you, is that when you have words that repeat, this helps you to have fun reading the book because you already know or you have learned these words as you're reading, because it's the same words over and over again. All right, so let's go back, take another look at the pages, but this time we're going to focus on the words that are covered. Little kittens love to. We're going to use context clues to figure this word out. Now, context clues means is that we're going to look at the letters. We're going to look at the first letter of the word that's covered, and we're going to look at the picture to see if the picture can help us. So what am I going to do? I am going to fold back that little piece of paper, and when I do that, I see the letter R. And R makes the sound of R. So looking at where the kittens are, they're in a wagon, and if you pull the wagon, the kittens are going to go for a R. They're going to go for a ride. That's what they're going to do. Let's go to the next page. Again, let's use the picture and let's look at the first letter. Little kittens love to, what are they doing? They love to, let's see. Let's pull back and let's take a look at the first letter. The first letter is an R. R makes the sound of R. What are they doing? What are the kittens doing? They like to run. Little kittens love to run. All right, let's continue. Let's use these reading skills we're being taught right now, these strategies. Little kittens love to, what are they doing? What are the kittens doing? They are, all right, let's find out. Let's remove the first, let's see what the first letter is. The first letter is an H. Little kittens love to hide. Little kittens love to hide. Let's continue, boys and girls. Little kittens love to, what are they doing? Little kittens love to, and it starts with a J. Ch, ch. What's the kitten doing? The little kittens love to jump. And we have, again, the word jump. And we have the word jump, but this time it has an exclamation mark, which shows excitement. Jump! And then here is our last page. Little kittens love to, and this time we're going to take a look at the first two letters. And the first two letters are S and L. And SL makes the sound of sl, sl. That's known as a blend. That's when you have two consonant letters together and you blend the sounds. Sl. So looking at the picture, we can tell that the little kitten it likes to sleep. Little kittens love to sleep. So now, boys and girls, and Tops wants to do this too. Thank you, Tops. He wants to read the story also because now you know the words. All right, let's go back and practice reading this wonderful book about little kittens. Ready, boys and girls? Okay, here we go. Little kittens love to ride. Little kittens love to run. Little kittens love to hide. Little kittens love to jump. Jump, jump. Little kittens love to sleep. little kittens. Now let's go to our activity, okay? The activity that I'm going to show you, this lesson that we're going to be doing, is compare and contrast. We're going to compare and contrast kittens with puppies. And to do this, I have drawn a map, a graphic organizer, and let's see if we can get in this. Okay, let's back this up some. All right, we have titles, we have headings, in other words. We have where we see right down here, we see kittens. We see puppies, and then we have a heading that says both. We learned from the story that well, we didn't know that they meow. I mean, you should just know automatically that they meow. But let's see, what do kittens do that puppies do not do? Kittens, they meow and they climb trees. Puppies bark and they don't climb trees. Okay, they don't climb trees. And here, what do they both do? Well, puppies can ride in a wagon, they can run, they can jump, and they can sleep. That's what these words say on this graphic organizer. So again, we have on one side, we have kittens, and on the other side, we have puppies, showing how they are different, and then how they are both alike in the middle. So yes, we have to agree that both can ride, both can jump, both can run, both can run, both can jump, and both can sleep. Now, go to my website, our website, topsthemonkey.com, and download the free activity that goes with this story. You will be doing a compare contrast activity comparing kittens with monkeys. Yes, instead of having puppies, we're going to have monkeys. So it's a cut and paste activity. You'll have 3 pictures. All right, one picture goes under kittens, one picture goes under monkeys, and one picture goes in the middle to show that this is something that both animals can do. All right, see you again for a new story. Bye-bye.